Rapid test strips have been developed for the detection of low allergen concentrations. Color-labeled antibodies bind to the target allergen in the sample to form an antibody-allergen complex. The antibody-antigen complex binds to the test line and the colored band becomes visible. Each lateral flow test has also a control line. Consequently, two lines are visible in case of a positive test result. If a large amount of allergen is present in a sample, the strip becomes overloaded, and what is known as the high-dose hook effect occurs. High allergen concentrations result in excess of free allergens because there is a limited number of color-labeled antibodies and only a certain number of antibody-antigen complexes that can form. If the free allergens bind to the test line, no coloration or only a faint line will be visible because the color-labeled antibody is missing. The strip may be interpreted as negative because only the control line is visible. A false negative result on a sample with very high allergen concentration creates a considerable risk for the user. As a solution, an additional hook line consisting of the target allergen has been integrated. If there is a low allergen concentration, an excess of unbound color-labeled antibodies is present in the test. These color-labeled antibodies then bind to the hook line and become visible. As the allergen concentration increases, the number of unbound color-labeled antibodies that can bind to the hook line decreases. Consequently, the hook line intensity will decrease with increasing allergen concentrations. In the case of extremely high allergen concentrations, both the hook line and the test line will be absent. Note that the control line must be present in any case for a correct test result, and in combination with missing test and hook line, it indicates a highly positive test result. With the help of the hook line, a clear distinction can now be made between true negative and highly positive samples.